Happy Monday, my friends, and welcome back to another daily work from home job lead that is hiring worldwide. But real quickly, before we get into today's job lead, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I am always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss another job lead, make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. That way YouTube lets you know every time a new job lead is posted from me. But without wasting any more time, today's job lead is from the company Album. They are looking for a remote, part-time, evening, nighttime PN client support specialist. They are hiring worldwide, so let's just get into this. And customer support does not always mean on the phone. This is an email box job. So they are looking for someone to play an essential role in the ability to deliver on their brand. The PM Client Support Specialist provides a great overview of the language service industry and is a good opportunity for experienced project manager to take on additional work or someone looking to learn about the industry. So their daily tasks, it says training is provided for all tasks, but the successful candidate would be comfortable learning new software platforms as well as having a strong attention to detail and the ability to multitask. Now this is part-time after-hour support, and the part about the support is you will monitor 10 plus email inboxes for urgent matters requiring attention. You'll respond to those urgent matters and you'll document the tasks completed for hands off to account managers. So this is non-phone, it is email based. There may be translation related tasks, and you'll have to deliver completed translations, update client folders with delivered material, quote new projects. So this is a remote position, part-time. It says applicants can be located anywhere in the world, but the work hours are Monday through Friday, 8 p.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time. So this is perfect for those of you looking just for some part-time evening night work. You have a full-time job and you're trying to supplement your income. If you have a Monday through Friday 8 to 5 job, this would be perfect for you. It gives you time to get off at 5 o'clock if you're in the Eastern time zone. If not, you have to convert your time zones. But theoretically, it gives you time to get off at 5 o'clock, have dinner, clock back in at 8 p.m., make a little bit of money till midnight, and then still get some sleep before you have to be at work the next day at 8 o'clock. So this is like the perfect hours for those of you just looking for supplemental income. Now, they do require excellent written and spoken English, someone who is reliable and committed to quality, attention to detail, customer-oriented, someone who can be flexible in the ability to adapt to varying tasks, a strong team player, and someone is comfortable learning, navigating new software programs, and has a positive attitude. If you apply to this position or any of the other positions that I have posted, please let us know in the comments down below. I love hearing feedback. I know several people have gotten interviews and even gotten hired for some of the positions that I've posted, and I always love hearing that these are helpful to someone. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.